Hey, my name is Will Coleman and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making charred broccoli with dates, romesco, and toasted walnuts. I love this broccoli recipe because it has such deep flavors from roasting in the oven, getting charred and crispy, but also levels of flavor. We have our dried fruit, our toasted walnuts, our delicious sauce. It's gonna be out of this world. If this recipe sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe to our channel to see future recipe videos. All right, let's get started. I'm excited. This is incredibly simple. All we need is broccoli, salt, olive oil, our red pepper romesco sauce, our dates, and our walnuts. For the first step, I'm gonna season my broccoli with some salt to add some flavor and some olive oil. I'm gonna toss it all together so that salt and olive oil touches each piece of broccoli. We need even coating over here. For our next step, we're gonna grab a sheet tray that is lined with parchment paper, and I'm gonna put my broccoli right on it. I want to spread it into an even layer so that we get equal crispiness all throughout. And I'm going to place it in the oven at 425 degrees and bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the broccoli is nice and crispy and it's charred everywhere. Our broccoli is all finished in the oven. It's charred, it looks delicious. Now I'm gonna toss it up with some toasted walnuts and dates. I'm gonna add some lemon zest on top of my broccoli. This lemon zest is gonna add a bright flavor and complement the romesco beautifully. And I'm also gonna use some lemon juice as well. Now I'm gonna finish off with some of my red pepper romesco. This gorgeous color complements that green color beautifully. Wow, I'm so excited to dive in. And there you have it. Here's our charred broccoli with dates, walnuts, and romesco. If you've enjoyed this super impressive side dish, make it for your friends, serve it with your next dinner, or eat it by itself. So if you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see future recipe videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching and be sure to cook happy.